physics teacher Kavitha. Let's, in our day-to-day life, we are seeing so many types of fibers. Fibers means what are the thread-like structures. So, we are getting the thread-like structures by naturally and some artificially. So, from naturally, again we are getting from like vegetables, leafy vegetables, fruits, like something. And by animals also we are getting, you already learned the cotton, how we are getting the cotton threads, cotton fibers that you studied in 6th standard, and in 7th standard you studied for silk. How we are getting the silk from animals. The cotton is from plant and silk is from animal. So you had an idea about that the fibers are came from animals and as well as plants. So like naturally some sentence we are getting so costly and so it's taking so much time. So for this the scientists are prepared by adding chemicals that are synthetic fibers. Means we are getting the fibers from artificially, made by artificially, then it's called synthetic fibers. Here, this topic is related to synthetic fibers. Fibers are nothing but thread-like, but thread-like structures are getting from adding of some chemicals. So, for different chemicals we need, for different type of synthetic fiber we need to add different chemicals. Like all this we are going to learn in this lesson. Now, in our day-to-day life, we are going to start with everywhere synthetic fibers only. It's amazing for you, but it's true because of we are addicted for these synthetic fibers. Like when you get up in the morning, you are going to brush with toothbrush, the bristles and the handle brush completely made up of synthetic fiber. That is plastic. Plastic. Everywhere you are using the plastic. You have to think of that in your daily life, where you are using that. So, again you have to think yourself, if it is not there, before that, the ancient people, what they used. So, complete picture you will get in your mind. Is it right, children? So, okay, for storage nowadays we are using the plastic tanks, plastic bottles. Before that, in the ancient time, what they used. Now also we are saying but that we are using little quantity like pots, like mud tanks, like reservoirs only. Like they are used that. So each and everywhere you will raise the question. You can raise your mind in your mind the question. Before that what they will use. Like suitcase. Is it right, children? Next bucket, mug, utensils also, like cooker handles you saw that, is it? And like furniture, like electrical switches, everywhere you are finding the plastic. Means that much we are using. So, regarding this topic, I am going to explain synthetic fibers topic. Okay, children, before that, now I am going to explain by what are fibers and from where we are getting, what are the natural fibers, what are the synthetic fibers. Let's give an idea by picturization.
Synthetic fibers and plastics. Fibers. A fiber is a thin thread of a natural or artificial substance, especially one that is used to make cloth or rope. Fibers can be classified into two main categories, natural and synthetic. Let's coming for natural fibers. Natural fibers are obtained from natural sources such as animals and plants. We get cotton fibers from a cotton plant, linen from the flax plant. Coming for the animal fiber, silk from silkworm, hair fibers from rabbits and goats, Wool. Wool is from sheep and some of goats also. Plant fibers. Cotton. Cotton fiber is obtained from the cotton plant. It is one of the traditional fibers used in the textile industry. Linen. Linen fabric is obtained from the flax plant. The properties of linen fabric are very much similar to cotton fabric. Jute. It is obtained from the jute plant on account of its high strength. It is perfect for use in packaging material. Next, animal fibers. Silk. Silk is obtained from silkworms. The most popular kind of silk is obtained from the mulberry silkworm. Wool is the another type of animal fiber. Wool is commonly obtained from sheep. Wool fabric is soft to touch and provides warmth to the weather, due to which it is the preferred choice for winter apparel. And one more animal fiber is yak fiber. The yak is an animal that is largely found in the Himalayas in India and Tibet. The hair of the yak is very useful in the production of warm clothes, mats and sacks. Now coming for synthetic fibers or artificial fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers are made from different chemicals. Hence, each kind of synthetic fibers have their own properties. Synthetic fibers are more in length and are long-lasting. The only limitation in synthetic fibers is that they are poor absorbents of moisture and they catch fire easily. Synthetic fibers used in so many ways. Many items of clothing contain materials such as polyester, polyamide, terylene, rayon, etc. The items previously mentioned are all man-made fibers and are called synthetic fibers.